Fort Worth, Texas, the high-tech forge where the world's most advanced fighter is born. The F-35 Lightning II, a fusion of stealth, speed, and supreme situational awareness.
It begins with a skeletal structure of advanced alloys, built to withstand 9G maneuvers.
The nervous system. Over 8 million lines of code connected by high-speed fiber optics. The eyes of the storm. An AESA radar capable of tracking targets from miles away. The mate. The moment the cockpit meets the wings in a perfect aerodynamic seal. In stealth, every screw must be flush. There is zero room for error. The interface. A single touchscreen that gives the pilot godlike vision. Pilot safety is paramount. The most advanced ejection system ever designed.
Hidden lethality. Internal bays that keep the jet invisible to radar.
The cloak of invisibility. Specialized coatings that swallow enemy radar waves.
Human touch ensures perfection. Every edge is checked for radar reflections. 6 eyes watching in every direction. A 360-degree sphere of situational awareness. The heart. 43,000 pounds of thrust, ready to be unleashed. The lift fan. Engineering that allows a supersonic jet to hover like a dragonfly. Vectoring power. Redefining physics with vertical thrust technology. The stabilizers. Providing unmatched agility in the thick of a dogfight. Digital perfection. Every sensor, every line of code is mission ready. The lightning has struck. A masterpiece of modern warfare is complete. Rugged and refined. Built for the world's most demanding carriers. The arena of truth, where metal is tested against the sky.
The crown of the king. A helmet that sees through the floor of the jet. Ignition. Waking 43,000 pounds of fire and fury.
Pure power. The sound of freedom at full throttle.
Vertical mode active. Defying gravity with technological force. Takeoff. Accelerating into a realm where few can follow. Supersonic. Breaking the sound barrier with effortless grace.
High-altitude dominance. The ultimate high ground in modern conflict.
The edge of space, where technology meets the infinite.
A test of nerves. Man and machine working in perfect harmony.
Visible ghost. A phantom on the radar. A predator in the sky.
Target locked. Precision strike capability in any weather.
The sting of the lightning. Lethal force delivered with surgical accuracy.
The ultimate hover. Total control in the palm of the pilot's hand.
Mach 1.6. A supersonic predator closing in on its objective.
Rapid response. Decelerating from supersonic to combat speed.
Heat management. Advanced materials protecting the stealth signature.
Mission complete. The warrior returns to the hangar.
Impossible achieved. The W-16 of the skies has proven its worth.
Every component was pushed to the edge, and every part held firm.
Excellence is a science. We analyze every detail after the mission.
A work of art that can outrun the wind. The F-35 Lightning II. 3,000 rounds per minute, amplifying the thunder of modern warfare. Even after battle, she must look immaculate. Perfection in every form.
Time is the only thing we cannot engineer, but we can make it stand still.
From the dogfight to the cruise, the F-35 is a grand tourer of the sky.
Ultimate freedom. 1,200 miles per hour with the sky as your roof.
Lightning. Lightning. Named after the powerful force that strikes from the clouds.
A predator in the night. Always watching. Always ready for combat.
Exclusivity in every detail. Even the utility is a masterpiece of design. What you don't see keeps you alive. Ground effect at its peak.
Every fin has a purpose. To fight the heat of 43,000 horses.
7 levels of thrust. The engine never stops pulling forward.
The journey from the factory is about to begin for the pilot.
The moment of first contact. A machine worth millions of dollars.
You don't just fly an F-35. You are a custodian of its power.
From a small base in Texas to the world's most elite airspaces. Never look back, unless it's to see how far you've come. A lineage of excellence. 80 years of being the absolute best. 300,000 parts. One goal, the ultimate air dominance engine. Lightning marks the start of a new era. The final chapter of flight. The acoustics of heaven. The roar of the lightning echoing in the sky.
Liquid energy, converted into pure adrenaline, and safely returned.
The F-35 Lightning II, the peak of the 5th generation.